Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to cover about lead and lag. So first of all, let's focus only on lead function. These are all basically Windows functions. Let's understand first of all what is meant by lead. So when we say lead means the next value, right? So when we say lead means the next value. Now say for example, you are applying lead on a specific column. Okay, let's say for example, I have a table TBL employee name is my first column. Okay, and I am applying the lead on that column, employee name. So what will happen when I will say lead on that employee name? So what will happen? The next values will come. Okay, so if I apply lead on the first row, I will get the second row value. If I apply the lead on the second row, I will get the third row value. So let's see first of all this in an Excel, and then finally we'll see the query for it. Okay. So this is our Excel, and in which we have this table TBL employee, and we have two columns, employee ID, employee name. And employee name column is having the values Lakshman, Ram, Vinod. Now what happens is, if you consider this Lakshman, right, this is our first row. Now in this first row, if we have to apply a lead, what will happen when we say lead of Lakshman? We will get a Ram, right? That is what is happening over here. If we say lead on Ram, Vinod will come. Okay, when you say lead on this last row, which is Vinod, there is no data after that, so it will come as null, and that is what is being seen over here. So that is the concept of lead. Exactly opposite, if you see lag, it's like going behind. Let's see one example of lag. See, this is again the same table. We have 3 Lakshman. Now when you apply the lag on employee name, it will give you a one value prior. So what is the one value prior of Lakshman? Nothing. So it will come null. You have Ram. One value prior to Ram, which is Lakshman. So Lakshman will come over here. Again, the last row is Vinod. One value prior to Vinod, it's Ram. This is coming over here. So this is the lag function. Now let's see a demo of the same in SQL. So this is our first function, which is lead. Now this is our table employee ID, employee name. This is our columns employee ID, employee name, and in that we are applying a lead function. So when we apply a lead function, what will happen? In the first row, the lead of Lakshman will be what? Ram. That is what is coming over here. Lead of Ram, that is nothing but Vinod, that is coming over here. Lead of Vinod, what is the next row to it? Nothing, so it will come null. And how we have to write? We have to write lead and the column name, and after that we have to say over clause. Now what do we do in over clause? We apply a order by. Okay, order by is used by because we need to sort the data in an order. Now here I am saying order by employee name ascending. So what happens? This employee name gets sorted in an ascending order, and on this result side I apply lead. Okay, so this is what is our data. So that was an example of lead. Now let's move to our next example, which is nothing but lag. Okay, now how do we find the lag function, or how do we write the lag function? It is employee ID, employee name. Okay, and then we will apply a lag on it. So how does the lag works? Lag of employee name. So now what happens when we apply a lag of this Lakshman? This first record will be what? One record above Lakshman, which is nothing, so it will come null. Lag of Ram, one record above Ram, which is what? Lakshman, so it will come over here Lakshman. Lag of this Vinod, record above Vinod, that is what? Ram. You can see over here Ram, and that is what comes over here. So this is what is the concept of lead lag. So this is an Windows functions. So at high level, what the lead function does, when you specify on a specific column The lead of that column is the next value, and on the contrary, lag is prior value. So that is how this two windows function works. So you can use it in your projects depending on your requirements. Thank you.